Yeah, here we are back at BRS, showing the sticker board again. All our appreciation to all our creators and subscribers. But we're going to have a couple new additions that came in on Friday and just got them unloaded on Saturday. And this is a Craftsman, it's not really a super heavy duty, but it's a variable speed drill press that we picked up when we bought on Thursday, the little radial drill press. He had two more, or another one, this one right here, and asked him if he'd take my Visa card. He said no, but so I went back on Friday and picked up the second one. And, it needs some TLC. I mean, literally. But it was worth the price I give for it. And Keith was so great to work with and helped us load it. But this is a Craftsman variable speed. I'll get up here a little bit. It's going to need a lot of TLC, but it's going to make somebody a nice drill press. That's a 12-inch bed. Got a big, heavy base, big, heavy column on it. Actually, it's heavier than the 44 Delta column over here. And it's only got a 1/3 horsepower. Let's get around here to the other side. But, it's going from 300 RPM, let's see if we can zoom on this in, to up to 4,200 RPM with belt changes. And it's going to need some decent cleaning up. So any of you viewers that are looking for a, inexpensive, not a $10,000 drill press, keep Bear's Rod Shop in mind, because this is bought to resell. And once we're through with it, it's going to be in pristine shape. We're going to make sure everything works. The spindle works great. It was already under power before I bought it. It had no noise, but a lot of cosmetic surface rust. And of course, here is another one of those radial saws that's going to need a lot of attention versus this one. Now this one right here, it is in really pristine shape. So I don't know. You guys give me some comments below. Anybody needs, I don't want to part it out really. Yeah, I could part it out and make 10 times what I give for it. But, there's an electrical box that I figured out why it's on the top. Didn't make any sense, but it'll go away. And now the housing on this one is plastic, so that tells me it's more modern. But versus this one, which is cast iron. So, anyhow, this is the 15-inch drill press, variable speed, safety on, safety off, and got a 1/2-inch chuck in it. Let's see if I can get around here to the other side real quick without falling down. Oh, because I am old, but in really good shape. So when does a man say no? We end up buying equipment to resell to me to either Social Security or whatever, but it is a really nice find, and I thank Mr. Keith that helped us not only with the sale, but with loading it, and it's now in Bear's Rod Shop. And you guys that want a drill press, please hit us, hit my email, hit my about. My email address is on there. And I know shipping might be a little bit tough, but I do not need another drill press, but I just couldn't walk away. So tell me, can you say no? All right, good deal. Bears Rod Shop, we're out.